Hey everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Have an unboxing for you guys. It's by Lookfantastic and it's for the month of August. Yeah, I can't believe we're in August, but here's the box right here. Real pretty sunny orange got going on here. Probably should have worn orange today so we can be matchy-matchy, but that's okay. I'll go ahead and list all the different subscriptions and the prices down below so we can go ahead and see what's in here, and let's go ahead and open it up. All right, let's see what it says underneath the lid, because there's a saying that they put every month. This month, it says sunshine is the best medicine. Oh my gosh, yes, it really is. And it's sunny today. We thought it was gonna rain, but no rain today this morning. And it doesn't look like it's gonna be raining for the rest of the week, but we've got sunshine, and I do believe sunshine is the best medicine. It brings out a bright, happy day, I guess you could say. But here is the little pamphlet book that it comes in, and on the back, it gives you a little preview of what's going to be in next month's box, and it's Molten Brown, Orange and Bergamot Bath and Shower Gel. Now, I don't think we've tried that since. You can see it's going to be a Molten Brown shower gel. Can't wait for that, and it says, celebrate our birthday edition with one of the Molten Brown's iconic fragrances. Okay, so next month is going to be their birthday month. All right, I just opened up the... or a couple days ago, I opened up the Derm Store one, and that was their birthday year, their 20th anniversary, and wasn't too pleased with that box. But let's go ahead and see what's in this box for August. It comes with a copy of Elle magazine, and on the cover, she is such a beautiful woman. Hopefully I say her name right. Priyanka Chopra Jonas. Beautiful, beautiful. I can't believe she's married to one of the Jonas Brothers. I mean, to me, the Jonas Brothers just seems still like a boy band from, you know, the 2010s. So young, and how one of them got her. Wow. Okay. They must be doing something right, because she is a knockout. All right. Still orange inside here. And already I could tell you I like what I see so far. Let's go ahead and bring that one out. It's by Rituals. Love Rituals. Love it, love it, love it. It's the Cream On Nourishing Body Cream in the scent of the Ritual of Holy, Flamingo Flower and Pink Grapefruit. And that's a good size too. Oh, that does smell good. Oh my gosh. Infused with the delicate scent of flamingo flower and invigorating pink grapefruit, this quick absorbing cream melts effortlessly into the skin. And they really do. I have many of the Rituals cream and shower gel. My favorite one is the Rituals of Tao, the green one. And this one, I haven't tried the scent before, so that will be really, really nice. And it does smell good. You get 3.3 fluid ounce, so it is a good size. And in the British pounds, it's 6 British pounds and 90. We've got something here by James Reed, Self Tan, 1 hour tan glow face mask. Okay, that's something I don't need, but okay. Achieve a sun-kissed glow with this overnight gradual tan. Enriched with aloe vera, hyaluronic acid, and algae extract to leave skin hydrated, ensuring that color lasts longer and fades evenly. I will probably be putting this in a future giveaway. Let's see, you get 25 mils of product in here, which is 0.8 fluid ounce. And wow, this one costs 12 British pounds and 50. Wow, this little thing. All right, you got I think a lip product here. It's a small one. Let me look in the book to see what it is. It's by this brand called Deucey. I'll write it down here for you guys. But it's the Luscious Lip Stain in Holiday Getaway. And this one costs 11 pounds 95. Wow, we got some pricey stuff in this box. With a highly pigmented base color that lasts all day, this vibrant coral lip stain is the perfect summer shade. That is real pretty. We have a brush. This was in the back of last month's little sneak peek, and it's a brush by Luxie. Wow, and this one costs 26 pounds 50. Okay, this box is a good box price-wise. A lot better than the Derm Store one, let me tell you. But this is the 737 Tapered Highlighter Brush. Oh, and that is soft. Yeah, Luxie is a good brand for brushes. You have something here in bubble wrap. Oh, okay. The bubble wrap did not help. It's by Bella Pierre and it's the Heat Wave Highlighting Palette. And 2 of the shades broke. I'm not going to even open it up because it will fall everywhere. Yep, 2 shades broke. Just when I was liking this box, then this happened. Oh, rats. I'm going to try to email Lookfantastic to let them know, but we'll see. I doubt if anything will come of it. Maybe they can credit, I don't know. But this palette is 29 British pounds 99. So wow, almost 30 pounds for this highlighter. And 2 of them broke. It's a Lookfantastic Beauty Box exclusive highlighting palette. Okay, well at least 3 of the shades are intact, but yeah, the bubble wrap did not help with this one. Let me carefully put that in because there is some shadow everywhere. Now the last product, it's a sheet mask by Natura Herb Infused Sheet Mask. Blemish control and rebalances complexion. All right, I need that because I still get blemishes. And this one costs 4 British pounds and 95. Infused with a variety of herbs and vitamins, this multitasking mask rebalances the skin, reduces enlarged pores, and brightens the complexion. All right, I'm going to add up this box to see how much this costs. Wow, this box is worth $92.79 in British pounds. Wow, almost 93 British pounds. So that's probably like $100. This box is worth $100. I mean, probably more or less because I don't have the conversion rate here. But this is a nice box. This is a nice box, and I'm really sad that the highlighting palette broke. That is the only downside of this. That one hurts because this is the most expensive thing in this box. But all in all, I love the sheet mask. I love the brush. I love the rituals and this scent, the flamingo flower and pink grapefruit. Can't wait to try that. And can't wait to see what this shade looks like. Now, besides the highlighting palette, I will have to say that the James Read Self Tan is not my favorite because I don't need it. But other than that, this box is well worth it this month. Wow. Can't wait to see next month's for their birthday with the Molten Brown in there. I really do like getting the Lookfantastic. And if you saw my Beauty Fix box unboxing with that one, I'm kind of debating if I should cancel that subscription because of that box. And lately I've been getting a lot of repeats with that one. But so far with the Lookfantastic, I've been getting this now for a year, and I really do like getting this box. Even though it does come from England and it takes a little bit longer to get here, but I like this box. And it's a shame that the highlighting palette broke. But again, I will try to email them to see if we can figure things out. But all in all, this is a good box. Alright, you guys. Thank you for watching this unboxing. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day. And remember, sunshine is the best medicine. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.